Hello students, welcome back to Neeta's Business Studies class. In our previous class, we studied about the internal sources of recruitment and its merits and limitations. In today's class, we are going to do the external sources of recruitment. We'll start this, just a brief recap of what we did in our previous video. We'll just recall all the meaning of internal source of recruitment. Internal source of recruitment consists of employees who are already working in the firm. It is done to fill up vacancies through transfers and promotions within the firm. So, internal source of recruitment is filling up the vacancies, job vacancies within the firm itself with the people, with the employees and staff who are available at your workplace. You are not going for recruitment outside. You are not depending on the outside source of recruitment, and that is why it is known as internal source of recruitment. An internal source of recruitment is done through transfers and promotions. And in today's class, we'll be doing the external sources of recruitment, wherein the sources are outside the organization that stimulates the prospective candidates to apply for jobs or fill up the vacancies as per the requirement of the organization. So, external source of recruitment is something wherein we are inviting applicants or candidates from outside through different means, through different methods and sources, so that they can apply for job, and whatever vacancy is available, whatever position is created in an organization will be filled up through these prospective candidates or employees. So this is what is external source of recruitment we'll be doing in today's class. So external sources of recruitment, the first one is direct recruitment, the second one is casual callers, the third one is advertisement, the fourth one is employment exchange, the fifth one is placement agencies and management consultants, the sixth one is campus recruitment, the seventh one is recommendations of employees, the eighth one is labor contractors, the ninth one is advertising on television, and the 10th one is web publishing. So these are the 10 sources of recruitment that comes external, that is from the outside of the organization, how we're going to invite people to fill up the vacancies available at your organization. These are the 10 very important external sources of recruitment. We'll do in today's class just the 5 external sources of recruitment, that is direct recruitment, casual callers, advertisement, employment exchange, placement agencies and management consultants, and the rest 5 we'll be doing in our next class with the merits and demerits. So in today's class we'll be doing the first 5 one by one. The first one is direct recruitment. So under this method, a notice is placed on the notice board of the enterprise specifying the details of the jobs available. It is suitable for filling up casual vacancies of unskilled or semi-skilled jobs. The workers are paid on daily wage basis. It is the cheapest source of recruitment. So here direct recruitment is nothing but, under this method, a notice is placed on the notice board. So it's for the factory, or it is for, you can say, for the factory workers or for the daily wages. This type of recruitment is applicable for the factory workers, wherein on the gate or on the compound wall of the factory or the enterprise, they stick or they place on the notice board in the specifications or all the details about the job, and it is suitable for filling casual vacancies of unskilled and semi-skilled jobs. So the workers are paid on daily wage basis. It is the cheapest source of recruitment. So they can directly, whoever reads that notice on the notice board or on the gate or on the factory gate, they can directly enter and come for interview or can directly be recruited. So this is what is called as direct recruitment. There is no much of formalities there, and it is based usually for the workers, daily wage workers who are working in factory. So this is what is direct recruitment. The next external source of recruitment is casual callers. So many reputed business organizations will keep a database of unsolicited applicants in their offices. A list of such job seekers can be screened to fill the vacancies as they arise. This method reduces the cost of recruitment in comparison to other sources. So casual callers is something wherein there are so many candidates, aspiring candidates, who drop in their resume, who drop in their biodata. They actually drop in their CV to the reputed companies, at the reputed companies, and these reputed companies, what they do is they file up all these applications of the applicants, and then when need arises, whenever vacancies are created, they call these applicants to apply for the suitable position or job, and that is what is called as casual callers, and this is practiced by the reputed companies. So this method reduces the cost of recruitment in comparison with the other sources, because this is, they need not invite the people voluntarily come and drop in their resume into these reputed companies, and that's why it is called as casual callers. So whenever the need arises and whenever there is a vacancy created in an organization, these company management make a call to these candidates or applicants, and then the job vacancies are filled up. Next one is advertisement. So advertisement is a very common one and a very popular, and you can say which has a wider scope type of source of recruitment. Advertisement in newspapers and or in trade or business journals is used when a wider choice is required. So when you need huge number of people and when you have too many vacancies to be filled up, then advertisement is the best source of external recruitment. So detailed information about the job and organization can be given in advertisements. It gives the management a wider range of candidates from which to choose. So there is a choice to make from a huge number of people. You can choose the best and the best qualified people with particular specialization also you can choose, because you have wide application, you have wide range of candidates who are applying for this job through your advertisement. So the advertisement is the best, or you can say when you want to fill up huge, or you can say many people in your organization, then you can go for advertisement. The only drawback in advertisement in newspapers or journals or magazine is that you have even the unsuitable people or candidates applying for jobs. Next one is employment exchange. So employment exchange run by the government, and it is a very good source of recruitment. It serves as a link between job seekers and the employers. The main drawback is the records are not up to date and the candidates referred by them may not be suitable. So employment exchange is like one office situated might be in every town or city. It is run by the government. They act as an government agency in order to actually they form a link between the company and the aspiring candidates, the applicants. What they do is, the main drawback here is the records are not updated. The candidates referred may also not be very suitable. So whenever the vacancies are created in an organization, it is intimated to the exchange, and the exchange will in turn intimate to the applicants. So this is how it goes. So they are government agencies. For example, employment exchange everywhere you find, in every city or in every town. So employment exchange, they are run by government, and it serves as a link between the job seekers and the employers. So employers and the job seekers have to contact, and they have to renew their application and their qualification time to time. So whenever there is vacancy created, the employer will intimate the employment exchange, and employment exchange will call for the applicants. Next one is placement agencies and management consultants. So placement agencies, they provide a nationwide service in matching personal demand and supply. These agencies compile biodata of a large number of candidates and recommend suitable names to their clients and charge fees for their services rendered. So placement agencies, just like employment exchange is run by government, placement agencies are particularly run by private enterprises as agents. What they do is they serve in different nations in all over India. They serve, and what happens is they have a collection or a compile of biodatas in large number, and all these candidates they recommend suitable names to their clients. Clients means the companies, and they charge for whatever services they are rendering. They charge fees for whatever services they are rendering. So in technical and professional areas, private agencies and professional bodies are doing very good work. So placement agencies, they provide good services in matching personal demand and supply. So these agencies, they collect biodata of huge number of candidates and then they recommend suitable names to their clients. So this is what they do, that is they are private, run by private people or agencies. Then we have this management consultants. They are the firms that help the organization to recruit technical, professional and managerial personnel. They are specialized in middle level and top level executive placements. So this management consultancy firms, they help the organization to recruit technical, professional and managerial personnel. They are specialized in recruiting middle level and top level executives. So they maintain all the data, okay, of all the people, all the different qualifications and skills, and even advertise a job on behalf of their clients, and then they recruit the right type of executives. They are mainly meant and specialized for recruiting middle level and top level management executives. So this is what is placement agencies and management consultants. So this is all for today's class, dear students. The rest are the next five sources of external sources of recruitment and merits and demerits of the same will be doing in our next class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.